Hey friends, Leanne Calderwood here, and I cannot wait to talk all about personal branding with you at this year's IAEE annual meeting in Los Angeles in December. Now, I may not look like a Kardashian or have millions and millions of dollars like they do, but there is one thing that Kim and I have in common. We've both used our personal brands to connect and create impact with our communities. And my community, it's B2B, just like your community. Now you may be thinking, but Leanne, who am I to create a personal brand? I'm not a public speaker, I don't really like social media, and I'm not a big time celebrity. But my friends, I think there's a lot of myths around what personal branding is and the impact that it can create in the end. You needn't be a celebrity or someone who wants to speak on a stage to be able to impact and influence people and put them on the path to purchase towards your product and service. And that's really what we're doing with our personal brands. One of the biggest challenges I think we all face when we're looking at branding is we tend to think that it's the responsibility of our organizations to carry the brands. But I'm here to tell you that people want to do business with people, not organizations. And so it's time to create your brand so that people create that know, like, and trust factor with you so that they are attracted to the products and services that you represent. And my friends, personal branding isn't all about social media. In fact, we're in one of the best industries to create a brand that is outside of social media. So we have all these different formats at hand that we can all dive into in reaching our ideal customers with our unique messages. My friend, I am passionate about branding for so many reasons, but let me give you my top 2 reasons. Number 1, I have built a successful business around just being myself through my personal brand. But number 2, when I have a personal brand, I also control the messaging that's out there about me as a professional, the messaging that exists about my product and service. And so if you're interested in doing the same and driving more leads and opportunities to you, your uniqueness, and the things that your product and service does really well, then join me at IAEE in December. I can't wait to talk about branding with you. Cheers, and we'll see you soon.